Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you very much to the audience who have joined our socialization. We are from Group 3 Law Class C. We'll present about stay permit for foreign students. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Dwi Nurani.
My name is Dewa Ramadhan.
My name is Endra Inggita Sabriyartendra.
Hi, my name is Ferdyan Asgar.
Hello, my name is Ferdyan Pratama.
And my name is Fernandez, Fikky, Lieanto.
Then, let me briefly explain the sequence of the presentation. The first, we explain stay permit in general. Secondly, discuss specifically the stay permit for foreign students. And lastly, is the question and answer session. Then, I remind to audience to become during presentation, and if any question can be saved for the end of this session. Thank you.
Definition of stay permit. Stay permit is a permit granted for a foreigner by immigration officer or official of the foreign service to be in Indonesia region. In Article 1 number 21 Indonesian Immigration Law number 6 of 2007. Any foreigner residing in Indonesia must have a permit region living. Article 48 number 1 Indonesian Immigration Law number 6 of 2000 of legal basis of stay permit. Article 48 number 1 any foreigner residing in Indonesia must have a permit region living. Article 48 number 2 stay permit granted to foreigner in accordance with visa has. Article 48 number 3 resident referred to in paragraph 1 consists of a diplomatic resident, B official resident, C resident visit, D limit stay permit, and E permanent stay permit.
Limited stay permits are granted to foreigners who have entered Indonesian territory with a limited stay visa, or foreigners who are given a status transfer from a visiting stay permit, which includes foreigner in the context of employment, work as an expert, performing duties as clergy, attending education and training, carry out scientific research, joining a husband or wife who holds a limited stay permits, joining a father and or mother, or for children of foreign nationality and who have a family law relationship with father and or mother of Indonesian citizen. Joining the father and or mother holding a limited stay permit or permanent residence permit for children who are under 18 years of age and have not yet married. Okay, foreigners who are ex-Indonesian citizens and foreign elderly tourists, children who at the time of birth in the Indonesian territory, the father and or mother for children of foreign nationality and who have a family law relationship with father and or mother of Indonesian citizen. Joining the father and or mother holding a limited stay permit or permanent residence permit for children who are under 18 years of age and have not yet married. Okay, foreigners who are ex-Indonesian citizens and foreign elderly tourists, children who at the time of birth in the Indonesian territory, the father and or mother hold up limited stay permit, foreign captains, crew or foreign expert on board ship, floating devices or installation operating in the territorial waters of jurisdiction of Indonesia, in accordance with the provision of laws and regulations. Foreigners who are legally married to Indonesian citizens or children of foreigners who are legally married to Indonesian citizens. Limited stay permits can also be granted to foreigners to do short work. Limited stay permit expires because the holder of a limited stay permit returning to their home country and not intending to re-enter the Indonesian territory, returning to their home country and not returning again beyond the validity period of the re-entry permit, Obtaining citizenship of the Republic of Indonesia, the license has expired. The permit changes its status to permanent stay permit. The permit is cancelled by the minister or a designated immigration officer, subject to deportation or die.
Next, stay permit for foreign student. This is an example picture, limited stay visa, index 316, which is used for foreign student in Indonesia.
Limited stay permit procedure. Application process will initially take place at immigration office in Indonesia, and student must travel overseas to collect the visa and pay the collect fee at the Indonesian embassy. Student visa comprise of VITAS or visa izin tinggal terbatas with sticker visa obtained at the embassy, and KITAS kartu izin tinggal terbatas with limited stay permit card issued by the immigration after biometric is done. Validity for limited stay permit is 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and can renewable up to 4 times. Renewal students are responsible to ensure that the electronic KITAS and study permit are renewed in time before the expiration date. The renewal process shall be initiated at least 3 months prior to the expiration date. Processing of limited stay permit is about 1 week. Limited stay permit requirement. There are 7 points of limited stay permit requirement that you have to bring. First, you have application letters for KITAS. Second, copy of study permit, letter or recommendation of Ministry of National Education. Third, recommendation letter from university. Fourth, passport and copy of passport, visa, and recent arrival stamp. 5. Copy of telex visa. 6. Letter of address from local authority. 7. Identity of guarantor.
Limited stay permit extension. Number 1. Application letter for KITAS. 2. Copy of study permit or letter of recommendation from the Ministry of National Education. 3. Recommendation letter from university. 4. Copy of academic transcript. 5. Copy of passport. 6. Copy of KITAS. 7. Letter of address. 8. Identity of the guarantor. And 9. Self-report information from the local police. Re-entry permit. Indonesian Immigration Law Number 6 of 2011. Re-entry permit is a written permit granted by the immigration officer to foreign holder of a limited stay permit and permanent stay permit for re-entry into the territory of Indonesia. This is from Article 1, Number 24, Indonesian Immigration Law Number 6 of 2011. These have rules. Rules number 1. Re-entry permits granted to foreigners holding limited stay permit or a permanent stay permit. Rules number 2. Granted a limited stay permit holders entry back the same validity for a lifespan of a limited stay permit. Rules number 3. The holder of a permanent stay permit, re-entry permit granted for a period of 2 years as long as not exceed the validity period of a permanent stay permit. And last rules number 4. Re-entry permits valid for several trips from Article 64 Indonesian Immigration Law Number 6 of 2011.
Okay, for apply online, foreigner can access the ITAS online through https://izintinggalonlineimmigration.go.id/cara-pendaftaran.html and choose the using form or using guidance icon on menu. After you fill in the application, enter your passport number and PITAS authorization number in box provided. After submitting your application, you will receive a notification email from the immigration with your application number, name, and passport number. Please print the notification email and report to the immigration office within 30 days of your date of arrival for your interview, data verification, and both biometric photograph and fingerprints. Provide your print notification email to the immigration officer at the entry desk to get your QU number. You must bring your original passport to get the ITAS online registration stamp and make a payment for your KITAS, re-entry permit, and information technology management system. You will receive another notification email with the ITAS approval letters and KITAS limited stay permit attachment, and you can print the KITAS by yourself. Okay, immigration office will also provide your electronic or non-electronic KITAS for you. Note, ITAS, it means izin tinggal terbatas or limited stay permit. VITAS, it means visa izin tinggal terbatas or limited stay permit visa. And then KITAS, kartu izin tinggal terbatas or limited stay permit card. Okay, this is the screen capture. There is choose application method. There are using guidance and using form. This is the picture of online stay permit applications. Application for the new ITAS from PITAS. You can fill in the passport number. You can choose your nationality. You can choose your gender, and you can fill in your date of birth. And you can choose the next. This is izin tinggal terbatas online, ITAS, limited stay permit online. ITAS online is intent for foreigners who enter the Indonesian territory with VITAS. So you can fill in the VITAS authorization number, and you can choose report. And those are all our presentations. Thanks for your attention, and please forgive us if there are any mistakes, and see you next time.